Hey, my name is Edwin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I grew my cleaning business to $30,000 a month in revenue with Reddit. Here's a proof. Here's a screenshot of our booking software, Booking Koala, by the way, showing the $30,000 a month mark for the month of January 2026. So, marketing challenges I faced when I first started the business is I'm in a competitive market. I'm in Seattle. There's a lot of established businesses here. The top dog has 1.2 thousand five-star reviews. It's really, really difficult. Ads are really expensive, by the way, in here. And really, I just needed leads that were high intent, willing to pay for a premium service. And I just wasn't really finding that with Google ads, Facebook ads, or any of these other traditional marketing services. And SEO, I think I wasted a couple $1,000s, not just on SEO, just because it's so competitive in my area that it would take, I think I got quoted $40,000 to rank number one. And I just didn't really have that kind of cash on me. So what I ended up doing instead is hijacking Reddit threads. So I would comment on relevant ranking Reddit threads in my niche to steal the traffic. So in that same search, Seattle house cleaners, you can see Reddit is ranking number one. And Reddit is not only ranking number one for Seattle house cleaners, it's ranking number one for all these cleaning terms and a lot of other local searches, e-com searches, software searches. Reddit is ranking somewhere in the search engine results page, and it is just ripe to hijack that traffic. And that's pretty much what I did. And a lot of my leads, like shown above, come from Reddit. They see, how do you hear about us? Reddit. What this also ends up resulting in is a lot of brand name searches on Google. And I'll see that people will type in the name of my own business, which is Puget Sound Cleaners, by the way. And I'll see it in my analytics. Oh, they typed in my brand name and they click, how did you hear about us? Reddit. And these are the best leads because A, they're pretty much free and they're incredibly high intent since they were specifically searching for my brand and for my business after seeing it recommended on Reddit over and over and over again. So how was I able to do this? And some challenges that I ended up facing along the way were, it's hard to find relevant opportunities. Comments get removed. Each subreddit has their own bespoke set of rules, not just in my local subreddits, but in a lot of subreddits across Reddit as well. So it's hard to get started and maintain campaigns consistently without getting banned. So you see this pretty often on Reddit now. Comments, get removed by moderators or, some laundry list of just rules that you need to follow. So this is why I created Syndr AI. Syndr AI is, I'm one of the co-founders of it. It has really helped, accelerate my growth in my cleaning business. And it's basically custom monitoring software built for finding these relevant opportunities across Reddit. And we also monitor public and private Facebook groups, Nextdoor, and Twitter as well. In this video, I'm just highlighting Reddit because it's the most important source at this moment. Within Syndr, we're able to find relevant Reddit threads that are currently ranking on Google right now and as they're created. So here in the top, we can see relevant Reddit threads based on keywords, and we're able to sort them on estimated traffic. So this Reddit thread here is ranking number one for House Cleaner Seattle. And has an estimated monthly traffic of almost 12,000. And you can see how I've sorted them, and now I have a list of Reddit threads I'm able to comment on and promote my own business on. That being said, some of these are archived because it's been too much time. So the next best thing I do, which Syndr also does, is find these opportunities as they are created. So here we can see, people are looking for apartment cleaner recommendations, a housekeeper in Queen Anne, and as these opportunities pop up, I go and comment on them, and later on down the line, they'll get archived, and basically my rankings in there are locked in forever. Syndr also allows you to access a pool of active high karma accounts that we maintain. So you're not just commenting all from one account, which, as we know in Reddit, if someone sees and looks at your profile and sees that you're only promoting a certain brand, you'll definitely get banned, or mods will start shadow banning you. So with this access to this pool of active high karma accounts, we allow you to kind of seed these comments across multiple different accounts, so it looks much more natural. Now, we offer the software that you're able to do it yourself. You can sign up today at Syndr AI. If you want a 100% done for you solution where you don't want to do any of the work, we also offer this as well. where we have strategic placement from human written comments from our pool of high karma accounts. We'll also do brand protection if needed. If your brand is large enough where people are commenting maybe some things that you don't want out there, we'll also do brand protection as well. 20% of the comments we make will include a link back to your website. So right now, a lot of the recommendations we give to users is make sure to do branded mentions in your comments. So don't include a link. But for this offer, we do have that 20% of the comments include a link back to your website. We also offer unlimited upvote support and unlimited monitoring for relevant opportunities, like I mentioned. So that is pretty much how I've grown my cleaning business to $30,000 a month in revenue. This solution, this done for you solution, and even Syndr works really, really well for local businesses, but also for e-commerce. So if you're selling direct to consumer or B2C items like beauty products, health products, even like dog products, all these other e-com niches where people tend to research heavily beforehand work really, really well. In addition, software also works incredibly well, where B2B software, people tend to research that pretty extensively, and Reddit is ranking on the search engine results page for a lot of these really high intent queries. So this also tends to work very well for that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.